Hello, hello. Welcome to the Not Too Shabby YouTube channel. My name is Lynn, or LV Handcrafted, here on YouTube, and today I have a Z-fold to share with you. I've been making Z-fold and Z-fold variation cards all month long, featuring the Not Too Shabby Paper Pad Club. On the 10th of the month for my hop video, I shared one set of cards that feature the soft florals paper pad that comes this month as part of the Paper Pad Club. And today I am sharing another set of Z-fold and Z-fold variations that feature the Watercolor Roses paper pad. Really love that the Paper Pad Club comes with two different styles and packs of paper. So gorgeous. Now for your Z-fold, it's really easy. You can make any card base a Z-fold card. All you have to do is just score the card front in half, and that score line should run parallel to the fold of the card. And that's it. That's our very basic, humble Z-fold. But if you stick around to the end, I'll show you all of the various variations that I make on this Z-fold in this second set of cards that I'm making. And if you want to see a tutorial on how I make those variations, you can pop on over to my channel. It's a bit of a longer tutorial, so that's why I wanted to split up the two videos, and that way you can just watch the sections that you are most interested in seeing. So the Paper Pad Club of the month, if you're not familiar, pretty amazing. It comes with two 6x6 paper pads, and there's the option if you would like to also get the coordinating ephemera pack. This month the ephemera pack is Pink and Blue Birthday, which is really fabulous because it works perfectly with the two paper pads. Of course, the Paper Pad Club and the optional ephemera pack are always so well curated, and that is thanks to Teresa, who is Fresh and Renewed by Teresa. So awesome. And the variations on these patterns is gorgeous. So really love using them for fun fold cards, especially the Z-fold, because there's so much opportunity to add pops of color and mix and match different pattern papers. And what I really love about how Teresa puts together these paper pads is that you can get a lot of different contrast in choosing your different pattern papers, because there's some good contrast with colors. So there are some patterns that are on a white background versus some patterns that are more deeply saturated colors. And then there's a lot of variation in the type of the print as well. So we've got everything from that soft kind of watercolor background to large prints like the large roses that I'm using on the left-hand panel, and then some more small, delicate, dainty patterns, and even the checkered pattern. So that's one of the things that I really appreciate about how pattern paper packs are put together, is when you have a lot of that variation, because I like to feature multiple prints on a single card, and this way each design has an opportunity to shine. So if I find that if I use too many patterns that are too similar to one another, they tend to just blend into each other. And the little stamped images I'm using are part of the stamp of the month. So if you're interested in that, I'll leave links to all of the clubs in the description box below. Now, with all of the clubs, you can buy them just as a one-time purchase, or if you want to make sure that these will come to you each month, you can sign up and subscribe to receive them monthly. And then that way you get an 18% discount. So you get a little bit of a better deal if you are signed up to subscribe. But really, I think one of the nice reasons to subscribe is so that you just don't have to worry about missing out. In particular, I know the box of the month and the junior box, they often are sold out, and the number of spots is so limited. So whenever you see a spot come up, if you are interested, do make sure that you jump on that because every month it seems like it's always sold out. All right, so here's a recap of my cards. I showed the Z Fold card that I made in this video, and here's a sneaky peek at some variations on the Z Fold. So this is a book fold card, and again, the tutorial video for the cards I'm about to show will be on my channel if you want to see how to make these. I just want to show a nice little showcase of other variations on the Z Fold just to show you that you can get a lot of mileage out of this one simple fold. Now this is a split fold card, which is very similar to the book fold and pretty similar to the flip it card that I made in my first set of cards as well. It just doesn't have that nice flipping interaction. Next up is a double Z fold card. I showed in my first set of cards the basic double Z fold, but in this second set of cards, this is a pop-up Z fold card. So once you expand this and stretch it out, it pops up and you have all of these different dimensions, all of those balloons that are just floating in the air, and they're kind of layered. And so it's really fun. It adds a lot of dimension to the card. Next up is another double Z fold card, which I mentioned in my first video. The double Z fold really opens the door to even more variations, and this is what I mean. So this card not only has a pop-up mechanism, but it also has a wiper mechanism. So you can see that little fox. He pops up but in a wiping sort of position where he's hidden initially, and then he swings up when you open the card, versus the pop-up, it's always sort of a little bit visible, but it's just that more is visible when you expand. So really fun. Those two were a lot of fun to create. And this is a Zoe fold card, or the combination of a Z fold and a Joy fold. This was, I think, made popular or maybe invented, I don't know, by a recent Craft Roulette episode. Funny enough, this was actually supposed to be a part of the first set, but I decided to save it for my second set of cards, which landed just in time because Craft Roulette has now made this kind of popular. So I've seen a lot of it just recently, where before I don't think I had seen too many of them. So I hope that you enjoyed this set of 6 cards. Again, the tutorial for the other 5 variations will be on my channel, LV Handcrafted. Thanks so much, and until next time, happy crafting and have a fabulous day. Bye!